You've been sticking on my mind. I don't think I'm ever going back.